morning to one and all present here. Think before you link. 3 words. Simple, powerful, and the thin line between a normal Tuesday and a life-altering tragedy. Let me tell you why. You will be able to relate to what I say if I tell it in a form of a story. Meet Jia. She's just like many of you. Comes home from school, drops her bag, picks up her phone and dives into social media. One day, she gets a friend request. Over 50 mutual friends. Seems safe, right? She accepts. At first, it feels harmless. But soon the messages change. The boy she thought was of her age starts asking her personal questions. He knows her routine. He shows up at her dance classes, at her coaching center, and one day at her school gate, pretending her mother sent him. That's not just creepy. That's cyber stalking. That's manipulation. That's harassment. Jia almost went with him. Almost. But her friend's stubbornness saved her. Later, she found a chilling message on her phone. You got lucky today. You got lucky today. That one click nearly cost Jia everything. And that's the danger of cyberbullying. It doesn't just stay on the screen, it follows you into real life. To many of us, Jia's story may seem like a movie, but it isn't. Because every 30 seconds, someone in this world becomes a victim of cyber attacks. Look around you. Please look around you. Someone sitting here could be a victim. Because as per United Nations, 1 out of 3 students is a victim of cyberbullying. And 1 out of 5 of those students would skip school because of it. Our ignorance towards cyberbullying and cyber attacks have made the situation worse. Because since the last decade, the cases have doubled. That's not a number. These are people sitting among us who became a victim because of one small mistake. Since childhood, we were taught to look both ways before crossing roads, and we took it seriously. But when it comes to thinking before linking, why did we never take it seriously? Today, I want to change that. Jia's story isn't just a tragedy, it's a blueprint, and it all comes down to 3 seconds of pause. Check 1. Do I know you in real life? Cyberbullies often hide behind a fake profile. Mutual friends do not make strangers safe. Declining a friend request is the safest move in the book. Check 2. What am I giving away? Oversharing is a fuel for bullies. Your words, your location, your posts, they are your data. They can be twisted, used, and thrown back at you. Check 3. Does this feel right? Stalking doesn't start with a scream, it starts with a whisper, a pushy DM, an uncomfortable comment. Don't wait for it to get serious. Your gut is the oldest tool you have. Use it. Take screenshots, block, tell a trusted adult. You do not have to fight it alone. But think before you link, like Sir said earlier, is also about how you treat the world. Think of the internet as a community and your actions as the lessons you leave behind. You see, your digital footprint are not just data points, they are a testament to our character. We need to remember that a username is not a target. It's a person with a pulse, someone deserving of the same empathy you would offer them if you were standing face to face. But here's the cold, hard truth. The internet is a wet cement. There's no delete button for your reputation. Every click, every comment, and every link is etched into that cement. We need to remember that respecting others' boundaries is important. Privacy is sacred. Sharing someone's personal life isn't just tea or gossip, it's a betrayal of trust. And in the digital age, consent is the ultimate mark of respect. Lastly, stop being a megaphone for misinformation. Before you hit share, Before you amplify the noise, stop, verify, lean on the truth. In the world of fast clicks, your curiosity is your best defense. Online etiquettes or netiquettes aren't just a list of boring rules. It's a choice to be a good member and not just a user. We often like to think that if we play by the rules, the monsters stay behind the screen. But what happens when the glass breaks and the community you once trusted becomes a crime scene? That's when the Indian law steps in. Under the Indian law, you are never alone. Whether it is stalking, cyberbullying, or identity theft. These actions are criminalized under the IT Act and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. They ensure that your digital footprint belongs to only you. Reporting isn't just a legal step. It's a way of reclaiming your voice and your identity back. By standing up, you make the internet a safer place for everyone. And as the link breaks your peace and you feel like you're alone, remember you're not. There's someone out there ready to help you through your pain, hands ready to catch you. From government support helplines to dedicated NGOs, there are communities with real people who understand your trauma from such experiences. One such is Cyber Peace Foundation, which focuses on cyber hygiene. It offers its victims support to help them navigate through their digital life after a breach or harassment. They have managed to reach out to over 4.5 lakh young women across India. Akhil Bharatiya Cyber Suraksha Sanghatan is dedicated to investigating cybercrime. They offer 24/7 helpline to help victims navigate the legal process of filing FIRs. Let's get back to Jia's story. What has she changed in her life? Jia hasn't changed her routine, honestly, but she has changed her perspective. Now the only difference is she's more cyber aware and safer. Jia today keeps her location off, does not accept requests from strangers, and whenever she feels something is wrong, she trusts her gut. She may have been traumatized by the experience, but that did not make her afraid of the internet. Rather, it made her more smarter about it. And that is exactly what I want for all of you. So the next time you're about to accept a request, share your location, or trust someone behind a screen, pause. Just pause for 1 second. That is your power. Every time we go online, we make a choice. And those choices have real consequences. The pause before you click is the most powerful tool you have. Think before you link. Thank you.